Experts believe key stones in Stonehenge may predate the structure. Researchers believe that the heel stone and a stone in the centre of the circle may have been in place millions of years before human settlements. They claim that as these two stones are not neatly chiselled, it is unlikely they would have been moved from the Marlborough Downs, where they believe the other sarsen stones came from. More than 50 new samples of Peruvian Nazca lines have been found by low-altitude drones. These new geoglyphs feature representations of humans, which is unusual as the previously discovered lines mostly picture animals and geometric shapes. They have been carved into the hillside where it is believed they would have been visible by villagers below. The discovery comes after recent concerns surrounding the threat of destruction to important archaeological sites. Potential historical ghost sighting captured at Bury Pomeroy Castle, South Devon. 19-year-old Chloe and her 5 friends visited the castle after hours and videoed what appears to be the ghosts of the Pomeroy brothers. The Pomeroys were former owners of the castle, and the legend goes that while the castle was under siege, the brothers evaded capture by leaping on horseback to their deaths from the tower ramparts, which is the image people claim to see in this photo. However, our experts have checked through the video and believe it is more likely fog.